Hello and welcome to another Bodgit And Leggit video. Now I've been challenged by Leek to try and change a tyre faster than he bitched around with it. Took him like, I don't know, 5 years or something. So, this is a walkover. He's going down. The really funny thing is, oh, this is him by the way up here. The really funny thing is, I've told him I've already done it and I've taken like 1 minute 23 seconds. I haven't done it. I'm going to try and ring him. Kind of, and I've told him I'm going to ring him at the end of the video, so he already thinks it's the end of the video. I haven't even started yet. The reason why I'm changing this tyre, see there's a huge bulge, you can just see it there. Maybe it doesn't look big on camera, but believe me, it's massive. So, I know I'm going to get him, well, you didn't use the same tyre as me and all these. He's just going to be bitching and moaning and making up all these excuses. He's lost. I haven't even started yet, but he's lost. So he's now my tea bitch. Big time, he's my tea bitch. I have my tea. Oh, tea's over there. I have my tea, but Leek is my tea bitch. So, let's ring him. Hopefully he answers.
Yo, bitch.
Hi, T bitch. You're gonna be
Bitch, man.
you're gonna be on the end of the video.
I'm gonna be on the end of the video.
Yeah.
As an outro, a little cameo.
Yeah, because you've already lost. So there's the camera. There's Leek. He's already lost.
Get the fuck out of here.
You see?
Get the fuck out of here. Let me guess. You did it in 3 minutes.
No, 1 minute 23.
Oh bullshit! You fast forward this shit.
No, you'll see. I've used a timer.
What'd you do? What you do? 185, 65, 50?
A timer. See, I told you, didn't I, people? I told you he'd be moaning, saying I didn't use the same tyre. You're my tea bitch, and that's all there is to it.
Man, you cheated. Put me back on the camera. You cheated.
He's a
You
tea
used
bitch.
A thick tire. I had
He's a
whole
tea
profile tire.
bitch.
You used 195, 65, 15 tire.
I told
My
you.
tire heavy because
I told you he'd be moaning. I told you he'd say that. So there we go.
Man, get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. What is this? I want to see this.
All we need to know is he's now my tea bitch. So look, I'm gonna sign off now, people. And yeah, this is my tea bitch from now on. So there we go. He's already think I've done it, which I haven't. But this is a walkover. I'm gonna leave this little timer. I'll leave it down here somewhere where you can see it, but we'll do that in a minute. But yeah, this really is going to be a walkover. I'm just going to take it easy. I'm going to go slow and I'm still going to beat him, but he's already thinking I beat him. He doesn't realise I haven't started yet. So what we're going to do is, I've got a big disadvantage here, by the way, because for some really clever git decided to bring the transit in. We had this place lovely and clean, and then I decided to put this big huge transit in the way, so I'm really restricted for space for tyres, so that's going to slow me down, but we'll still win. So let me kind of get the camera set up properly and we'll continue. We'll have the timer. I'll put the timer somewhere where you can see it's always running, and yeah, we'll go from there. Sorted. Right, I'm just going to take my time because this is in the bag. I'm just trying to figure out, oh, this is actually magnetic, so I can stick it there. I'll press it. We'll leave this as one long camera shot. The only problem is, if I need to bead blast this, I'm in trouble, because I dropped my bead blaster 2 days ago and I broke off the valve, so that could cause me a problem. Hopefully I don't have to. If I do, I'm screwed. But anyway, what do I do first? We'll press it and we'll go. Oh, I'm screwing myself up. Break, you little shit! There we go. Put this in so it's done. Why am I rushing? I don't even know why I'm rushing. I've got this. It's only 55 seconds. I can even whistle as I do this. Leek is going down. He is a T-bitch. He is going down. Oh no! Struggling, Leek. And I'm actually going slow. I'm not even rushing. Could be done a hell of a lot quicker this. But we'll take our time, people. We will take our time. Nah. Oh, I think I'll really bend down slowly. I've just looked at this tyre and I think I'm gonna have to bee blast it, which is going to cause me a problem because I can't bloody do it. Oh, we might be all right. No, I'm gonna have to. Shit. Please, please, please. Ah ha ha! Leek, you're screwed. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I've got it on the slow compressor through the tyre machine, which is really slow. There we go. If I should have brought my other line in from the compressor, which would have done this by now. Come on, pop. Pop! I should have, there we go. Boom! Stop. Shit. What's that? Oh, we're all right, people. 3 minutes, 11 seconds. And I was going slower. That's still like 3 minutes quicker than him. So, Leek, you lose. You're my T-bitch. End of. He wants to do another challenge. A break challenge. I'm down for whatever, because you're going down, bitch. Yeah. Sorted. So that's it, people. That's the challenge over. Victorious. Who doubted me? Nobody. Victorious Leek down there. T-bitch. End of. Bring on the next challenge. So there we go, people. Just a bit of fun. So hope it helps. Thumbs up, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.